Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Dwight in Texas on the Cobra 148 GTL. Dwight, let me just say thanks again for being so patient with me. We've been very busy with website new sales, and we just work in the repairs or mail-ins as we can. It's just, we do the best we can and treat every radio like as if it was our own. So we got you fixed up here, Dwight. Tune alignment. And per your request, we did a dial-a-watt right here on the SWR cowl. I'll just go ahead and show you here. 5-watt slug with it all the way down. Just a hair over a half a watt. 4.5 all the way up. Put it in average power here. 25-watt slug. 7.5, 8 bird. Peak power. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello. 20 watts PEP. All right, Dwight, it's ready to come to you, man. Super clean radio inside. You definitely got a good one. You ought to hang on to it for sure. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.